This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting family sharing now. Sign into iCloud on each Mac with the correct Apple ID. Once done, update Mac OS to the latest release so settings align across devices. Open System Settings, click your Apple ID, then Family to begin. You'll be prompted to choose an organizer. Pick one person who will manage invites and the shared payment method. Make sure the organizer has a valid payment method set up. This avoids interruptions when sharing purchases and subscriptions with your group. Now send invites from the family pane. Add members by entering their Apple ID or sending an invite link. Nearby Macs can accept via AirDrop. After members accept, toggle the specific features you want to share: purchases, iCloud storage plan, Apple Music, location sharing, and screen time. For kids, enable Ask to Buy so the organizer approves purchases. Also review each member's sharing permissions and devices listed. Make sure Macs are trusted, and that location services are enabled where needed for Find My and family location accuracy. Finish by confirming shared subscriptions show up on each member's Mac in App Store and System Settings. Once done, validate that shared purchases download correctly. If something fails, sign out and back into the App Store, then restart the Mac to refresh permissions. Make sure all Apple ID use the same country or region for purchase sharing, and double-check the organizer's payment method is valid. If problems persist, re-invite the user or toggle shared purchases off and on to force a resync. This fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.